Alright, let's begin the handle by working in the right plane and creating a new sketch. Here, let's establish the handle diameter with the sketch circle, and then I'll add a smart dimension of 0.250. Okay. Next, we'll go to Features and we'll do an Extrude as a mid-plane extrusion here for a total width of 3.00. Now, the one thing we have to create here is the knurl. And the knurl here, what we can do is there's going to be several approaches, but one would be simply to model it, and we could do this by using, let's say, the front face here or the side face of the handle and creating a new sketch. Next, if I get normal to that view, let's go ahead and select the face and get normal to the view. I want to create another sketch circle here and use a dimension of 0.254, and then I want to use a center line from the origin. I'll select that center line to create a dynamic mirrored entity and continue with another line here, also from the origin, and we could just finish it here on the coincident with the sketch circle. Okay, now we'll also use a smart dimension, and I'll make this about, let's go 0.1. I'm sorry, 0.01. 0.001. There we go. Okay. And we could probably make that a little bit wider based on any kind of knurl specifications that we want to use. Let's make it 0.02. Actually, why don't we so yeah, let's make this 0.002, and then we'll come in and clean it up. Also, actually, I want to use this edge to convert it, and this way we'll have a closed profile, and we'll use trim to clean everything up. There we go. Now, what we can do here is we can use, let's say, an extrude boss, and we'll reverse the direction, and we'll go about 1/2 inch. So you can see there. And that should be enough to get it into the cap. So we can also merge the result. And now using that boss extrude together with, let's go ahead and show temporary axes. We'll pre-select the boss extrude 2, and then we'll use our pattern for a circular pattern here, and we'll use that temporary axis on the cylinder. And here you can see we got quite a few of these spread out, about 111 of them with equal spacing. And again, you can adjust to any specifications of knurl that you want to, but we'll go ahead and use this one. And now we'll go ahead and use the right plane and pre-select circle pattern and the Boss Extrude 2, and we'll use mirror now. Okay, and this makes it really easy. Let's say if we wanted to shorten this knurl. So if I right click on the Boss Extrude, I go to Edit Feature. Let's say I didn't want 0.5, let's say we just needed 0.25 here. And click OK to update it. And so there you go. So by using the patterns in the mirror, we can easily make changes to our knurl just by editing one of the features. And we could do the same thing with our sketch lines here to change the profile of that knurl. Alright, now you can add your material and prepare your technical drawing view.